Hi, so today I just wanted to talk to you again about one of my other little favourite gadgets which I use when I'm styling and at home. Actually, it's a really fantastic little gadget and it's very good if you suddenly, I don't know, you're just about to go out and your hem comes down and you're like, oh, I've just put my outfit together and now my hem's just come down. There's a bit of it's come down, and you don't have time to stitch it back up, so what do? Okay, I've got you the answer. So this is what they call a stitch gun. Now you might have seen these used by, if you've worked in a shop, you might have used something similar to put tags on clothes, and that's where they originated. So it's a really, really similar idea, apart from each tag is really tiny. I don't know if you can see those. They're really, really tiny little tags. So they act like almost like a stitch. And I've got the white ones in there at the moment because they're the ones that I use the most, but you can also get them in black. So depending on whether your garment's light or whether it's dark, you can choose which one you use. And you literally just pull this bit out here at the top and you push it down and then it starts working. So I've just swapped this over for the black version because obviously this is quite dark. And it won't show up as much obviously on this. At the moment you can only get them, as far as I know, available in black and white, but usually it works. It's so tiny, and if it's literally just for a quick fix, it works really well. So we're imagining that this is our hem and this is needs taking it up. So I'm putting the needle right in where the edge of the hem would be, and I'm pushing the needle right the way through to the other side. I don't know if you can see that, the needle's right through to the other side. And then I just pull this little lever here, and you hear this little kick. And then, I don't know if you can see this, let me just try and show you. There's a really tiny little stitch there that holds that together. So that's actually stitched down now. So if you put, and on the other side, that's all you're seeing. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see that. It's really, really tiny. And you just do a few of those along this edge of this hem, and that's all you would need. That's all you would need to kind of hold it up, and that would do you for a night. So it's a really good way of a quick fix if either you're not very good at stitching yourself or you need to take time to take it to a tailor's or anything like that. It's a really good way. So it's called a Microstitch. Okay, I'll see you soon. Take care.